In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the lower spray arm in your dishwasher. So in order to remove a spray arm, it's quite easy. You want to open your door and remove your rack. So in looking at your spray arm, there's multiple different versions of spray arms. There's this style which has 4 arms. Yours may just have 2. They may be straight or they may be squiggly. There's lots of different spray arms out there. Typically, they're all held the same way. They're either just pushed down and snapped on, in which you'll remove it just by pulling them straight up. Otherwise, you've got some sort of a screw or nut or something that holds it in place. If you're not seeing anything here to how it would be held down, then chances are it's just going to pull straight off. But in this one, we're just going to have to turn this screw in order to get it off. And for this model, it's what they call a left-hand thread. It's basically the opposite way you would normally screw something in or out. You're just going to have to hold that, and you may need to use pliers. These ones pretty well you can do by hand. You can just hold it and rotate it clockwise, and that unthreads your spray arm so you can remove it. And it's that easy to remove a spray arm.